Buried inside every processor's fine print are clauses that can freeze your funds or shut down your account overnight. Most business owners don't catch them until it's too late. Here is a quick way to check. Open Stripe's or PayPal's acceptable use policy and scan for restricted industries or fund hold clauses. These sections outline exactly when they can limit your processing or lock your money. And the list of restricted industries is usually longer than you think. Catching these red flags early can save you from nasty surprises down the road. Most new business owners skim past terms and conditions just to get approved faster. But hidden in those policies are the rules processors use to shut down accounts. Stripe, PayPal, and others can freeze funds if you hit certain volume. If your business falls into a gray area category, or even a competitor in your industry triggers extra scrutiny. That's why it's critical to know what you are agreeing to before you start processing. With EasyPay Direct, you don't have to guess. Their team explains what types of businesses are accepted upfront and matches you with banks that actually support your industry. That way, you start with clarity instead of risking shutdowns later. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer 250 plus integrations, making it simple to connect with nearly any shopping cart or platform you are already using. If you want a processor that tells you where you stand from the start, EasyPay Direct is a great choice. Click the link in the description to get started today.